Okay, so this is gonna be about the pre-market weekly briefing. Uh, let's start from SPY. Alright, so what do we have here? Right, its shape. It doesn't. There's the impulse is gone. Right? Do you see it? We have this impulse, and then we have a mini impulse right here. Now there's no more impulse. It's gone. Like, so the shape of this thing is going sideways but downward, right? What does it tell you? Right? There'll be a reversal. So we know we're in the downtrend, but the downtrend has no impulse. Alright? So we have probably a trend line somewhere like this. Right? So above this breakout, we want to call it. Right? We want to call it, take profit somewhere on the VWAP. The VWAP, if it goes through, we hold it here. This is our safest taking profit position, and let the rest run. If it wants to go to the previous high of the day, just let it run. Alright, let your profit runs, and then don't think too much about it. Okay, and then now, what do we expect tomorrow? So we're expecting to go up, but remember, the market maker doesn't want it to go up just like that, right? People like hedge fund, they want a big run. They don't want like it's just a mini run. They want a big run, like a big run to the upside, right? So what do they do in order for them to make a big call movement to the upside? They don't buy anything over here. They don't buy. They don't push the breakout after this, right? So let's say like this breaks out, they don't really push it even further up here. They let it go down and set a bear trap for you guys, right? They let it go down, set a bear trap, so that when they've touched 354, they can push it up and make even more profit all the way to the upside to 370 or something like that. All right, so tomorrow is to be patient. So I'm probably gonna scalp somewhere from the bottom right here. Let's say the pre-market, they hold here. They hold this level. We are going to head up here. Alright, we're just gonna scalp it. Like open market, just scalp it right here, and then take profit, and then leave one or just one contract, let it run. If it doesn't run, let's say if it goes down here, we're just gonna cut it out like before it goes break even or negative. Alright, so that's just scalping. That's just one idea for you. That's SPY. But once it touches this demand zone on this level, or maybe at the 4-hour key level, right, I think I kind of want to size in, and the stop loss would be very close to here. I kind of want to size in though on this demand zone, and then we're just gonna, I think I want to go heavy and then add some swing. Yeah, add some swing. Like I'm gonna put heavy position somewhere right here, 354, heavy position and some of swings. All right, so what am I expecting on this one? So pretty much, so we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 probably down here, right? And then we have a significant bullish movement to the upside right here. So I'm hoping that it will go. Do you see the similarity of this thing? And take a look of this thing. All right. So we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Look at what does 5 do. 5, we hold we push it back up, and then we push it back down right here. So this is looking like a Wyckoff scenario where we have the selling climax is down here, right? This is the selling climax. Secondary test, we just right on the 4-hour time, 4-hour key level, right? The 4-hour key level, you can see it from here all the way back here. We kind of held. So let's take this area as a zone, right? This area, this whole area right here as a zone, right? Because we have this wick up here, and then this key level, the resistance over here. This whole area is a key level, and then we kind of held that key level right here, right? We hold it pretty strong. We have a $14, $20 move to the upside after so many attempts to break this this area over here, but they failed. The shoulders are failing. So in this case, like, we have a big bearish move, bearish engulfing, right? And then it follows up with the downside movement, trying to retest, because nobody wants to buy after $20 move. Nobody. All right. So in this case, like, we might see something like this. This is very similar right now. Let me just show you the replay. We're seeing something like this, right? After we bring it back up, like about like $15 or something, and then they're gonna push it back down. Oh man. Oh, so they bring it back up, and then they're gonna stay hanging over here. That's when I wanna put my swing, and then they're gonna break it out. You know, we're gonna see something like this, right? Just like this one over here. The current thing. This is a very good chance for a swing. Kind of like midterm, 2 days, 3 days. But my goal on this one is probably somewhere on the 50. The 50 is my first target for the swing. Or maybe, like, you know, if you have like 100%, or maybe like 70%, 80%, like, just take profits. You know, cut, like, just unload some of your risk. All right, don't be a greedy dumbass and then let it go down to negative or break even. That's stupid as hell. If you make profit, like, just trim. You know, trim. Especially if you're holding like a very big position. Just don't let it go down. All right, don't let it. Just keep your profits. All right. Nobody tells you when to take your profits. That's kind of ridiculous. Alright, if you profit, you profit. And then on this one, we might see something like this. Alright, so we have this we have selling climax, we have secondary test, this is secondary test, and then this is the third test. This wick right here, you see it, where they bring it back up. Now we need to see something like this, where they bring it back up. So I'm gonna show you some Wyckoff accumulation. Alright, here you either see this or this. Alright, either these two. So this one we have a spring, this one we have a spring, and then this one, LPS, is called last point of supply, where they go sideways, ranging. Do you see the range? And then when they break up the range, that's when we go in heavy, like, you know. But I kind of want to bet my swing over here, because we have a bullish momentum coming very shortly to the upside. Like back then, I think November, December was a bull run in the 2020. We might see some kind of like this, but it's not gonna be like a big bull run like the 2020, because they stopped printing the money. Okay, so we're gonna see something like this, and then we will see the resistance lines, and then we have the support lines. The support lines, like I said, is very obvious. The 4-hour level, that's the support lines. We're gonna hold somewhere. I think we're up here somewhere, and then we're trying to go back down, reaching the demand zone, or maybe back to the key level, creating a spring. So we need to see the spring. All right, we need to see the spring. We need to know where the range is. All right, so we don't have any range yet. You normally go sideways. So like I said, this one has a range. This is a range right here, and then this one doesn't have a range. It just goes down, creating a bear trap. Imagine like looking like this. You'll probably like a complete bear flag, right? Look at this. This is the impulse, right? This is the impulse, and then we have sideways movement, but it's going downward, right? Look at it. Like it's like a bear trap, and then they fake you guys out and then go up. This is a Wyckoff event. Alright, you can see it. There's so many events, something like this, right? We have a selling climax, and then we have double last point of supply, and then look what happened. It looks like a mini bear flag, but they fake you guys out. Look at it, right? It's a bear flag, right? So that's one. You'll see it very often, and then this is two, right? This one right here looks like a bear flag. Look at it, right? Look at the bear flag, and then look how they trying to trick you over here, right? And then look what happened. Shorters will die, right? So this scenario is some kind of Wyckoff as well. The secondary test doesn't have to be down here as well. It could be up here. Alright, it could be up here. Like I said, the range, you need to know where the range is. Once you find the range, you can make decision based on the price actions, whether it's holding up or it's holding down. If it's holding down, then we're going downside. But like I said, the Wyckoff, we have a spring. The spring could be down here, the spring could be down here, right? Somewhere in the zone of this key level, and then we cannot see an impulse on the spring. We're gonna see like a slow downward movement, right? There's not gonna be an impulse, right? This Wyckoff thing, the C, the spring, you're not gonna see an impulse, right? So on this bottom level here, like we're gonna expect like, but like I said, like we have a demand zone over here, right? So we're gonna see it going up, maybe to the previous high, which is over here, and then we're gonna go sideways until the market decide what does it want to do. But I'm assuming it's going up, like this up like 70%, 70 to 80%. I think it's gonna go up. All right, and then we have Tesla earnings coming up on Wednesday next week, which is I'm gonna play the bet for, and then also Microsoft Monday 24th. This is November, AMD November. This one, yep, Wednesday next week. So this is an earning season, guys. I kind of want to bet though. I think I kind of want to call SPY, and then like 3 months ahead, or maybe like 6 months ahead, just to be safer on the Theta. I kind of want to call long term, probably just 3 months ahead, but it's only for like 2 or 3 weeks, or perhaps a month of call. You see this? Another Wyckoff. Look at it. Looks like a bear flag about to be completed, but it didn't break out. They fake you guys out. That's a Wyckoff right there. Alright. Pretty much everything looks the same. Nothing crazy. Amazon is if it holds on this key level and then we swing for 2 weeks, oh dude, yo, this is gonna be lit right here. Amazon, so pay attention on Amazon, pay attention on Nvidia, and then pay attention on Tesla as well. Tesla, are we gonna see Tesla over here? 179, 180. That's $20 move. Maybe, but let's see though. Let's see. We're not gonna make decision, but let's just make the supply zone, which is I'm gonna make for everything. There's no supply zone. I mean, there's no demand zone on Tesla. It just goes down. QQQ already made it right before it breaks out. Right. This is the $10 impulse. I think it was $5, $7 impulse. Yeah. Yeah. $7 impulse. Big move. Big move. Big move. Then I'm not gonna really pay attention to something that is not so obvious, or maybe like it doesn't have any demand zone or anything like that, because this just gonna make me I want like high probability trading, like AMD. Like this is the demand zone right here, but look, we already broke the demand zone, right? This is the demand zone. We broke the demand zone already, so we're not gonna look something like this. We want to look something that hasn't touched the demand zone, so that way like we have probability trading that's gonna be the bottom. Even though the jump is gonna be very low, like let's say like $2 jump, that's still a profit, a good high risk to reward trading. Dow Jones, I think let's do a quick take on Dow Jones. I didn't really move. It broke the demand zone. The demand zone is somewhere over here. This is the demand zone. Right? We broke the demand zone. So now we have a two conflicting issue, right? Oh wait. I think I didn't zoom out. This is the demand zone. Either this or this. Doesn't matter. This is a little bit higher than SPY. So let's say right, SPY goes down. How many more dollars? $3 more. So let's say SPY is down here. I'm just gonna estimate that Dow Jones will be down here on the key level, and then they're gonna go up together most likely. Let's do a quick fix on Dow Jones. I think I might have made a mistake on the key level. No, I didn't. I did it correctly. Yeah, this key level. Yeah, somewhere right here. Well, so we have the zone. The zone is right here. So I gotta put like a small mini key level on the 1 hour. Just somewhere back here with this. Treat it as a zone. So we have a zone right here, right in between. So let's see what's going on tomorrow, and then right now we don't have any clear pattern. What I can see the clear pattern is Amazon creating higher low or equal low, so they go flat. SPY is doing the same thing. I think I want to play call tonight on the future account because they open at 7. Microsoft hasn't touched the demand zone, but it's Monday, guys. Monday, who wants to trade Microsoft? Nobody. Either these two are the demand zone, so either this impulse or this impulse, right? But I would assume it's this impulse. This demand zone is more appropriate, but it could go drag down all the way to the bottom of the second demand zone, right? So Microsoft looking good. It hasn't touched the demand zone yet or break the demand zone. So yeah, let's do a quick take. I normally check like the Wall Street bet credit. See what's the schedule looking like. So I'm too lazy to look for the earnings thingy, so I just look it up this one. Okay, most anticipated earnings. So these are the things that you don't want to touch pretty much. So next week we have Tesla, we have IBM, PG, Interactive Brokers, Netflix, United, BOA, Charles Schwab. We're not gonna touch this. You should have put in your orders on Friday before the market close. We have Nasdaq. We have Dow. Oh man, it's gonna be big. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna swing. American Airlines. People are buying calls on this. Verizon, American Express, Snap. Let's see Snap. Snap is very cheap. Right on demand zone. This is the demand zone, guys. Somewhere over here. We have demand zone right here, but I don't know how Snap's doing. If you guys want to do some research for me, I appreciate it. We have Snap, Tesla looking like it's touching the bottom already. But I think Tesla gonna have big, nice numbers after the Pepsi delivery, truck delivery. I'm thinking of like, should I gamble this next week or what? But I guess yeah, try to take a look on SPY, right? SPY is it's gonna be a good call. It's gonna be a good call. Yeah. If it so on this bull run, the mini bull run, I'm assuming somewhere like we're gonna go up to the 50. First target is the 50, like I said, but don't go crazy. Like, oh, it's gonna touch the 50. Like I said, take profits like as soon as possible. Like once you're happy with the profit, let's say you make like $2,000 in it, like just take profits, man. Yeah, dang it. Right. And then Bitcoin. Let's go on crypto. Right. Sorry. So on crypto, we have a flat movement, but look at it. It's trying to break the 50. Right, we have a trend, and then the trend is trying to break the 50. So I'm assuming this one will go up to somewhere on this level. I think I want to take profits on 25. Yeah, 25, 24. I think on 24 I'll take profits because the volume on this is very unpredictable. Like you just never know, right? So we have a massive good volume over here compared to this one. Right, compared to this one, we have a pretty good volume coming in. Look at the volume. The bar just keeps going higher high, right? Higher high, higher higher, higher high. It's gonna be a big movement somewhere too. There's a lot of volume over here, but you don't know. The volume could be red, not green. Okay, so we're holding this key level over here, pretty much, and then we have also a demand zone right here, which is what we're holding right now. So I think this is a high probability call. Like if anything goes down like 18,000, like I think I'm gonna close my call swings. Yeah, anything below 18,000 I'm gonna close. Like I'm expecting a big breakout. It's gonna be a good high risk to reward play. It's gonna give you enough money for Christmas. Buy some present for yourself and for your family. And yeah, I think that's enough for the pre-market briefing. So pay attention to my Amazon, Microsoft, SPY. Right, that's what you're gonna be looking to swing, and also probably gonna add some Bitcoin as well. Oh, energy. Let's go XLE. Ooh, energy is extremely bullish. Look, it's looking bullish. Look at the range, and then look at this. This is like a bull flag right here, right? If this is not a bull flag, I don't know what this is, right? So we went up, a big impulse, massive impulse to the above the 50. If we hold the 50, we might see a chance of it going up again. Oh man, but gas price gonna be insane. Look at it. Might see $5 gas price. $5 gas. If we see over here, right? Profit target for XLE. This is energy sector, so just letting you know. The ticker is XLE, right? It's looking like a bull flag though, but it's not completed yet. But once it completes, oh man, gas price. Oh jeez, we're paying more gas, guys. See, XOM. This is Exxon. Probably looking the same. Look at it. What the hell? This is a bull flag. We just broke out this trend, right? This is a daily time frame, by the way. Daily. And then XOM. I like Oxy as well. Oh, like Oxy. Oxy is not looking as bullish as XLE. Let's do Chevron. Yeah, it's looking like a bull flag though, to be honest. Let's hope. So on energy, we need to hear some bad news before it goes up. So, but the risky part about energy is like Biden's gonna do something about it. Once Biden do something about it, this thing will dip like this. You know, we're gonna have an impulse. Biden do something about it. But if he doesn't do anything about it, then we're gonna see a big move to the upside. Right, that's the risky part, the news. Alright, I guess that's today's recap. I'll see you guys on Monday.